you can't skip understanding and go straight to automation. So it really starts with a 360-degree analysis and visualization of the content. So if I go in and I have a look at, in this case, it's just shared drive data. It happens to be some open government stuff. So it's a real mixed bag of PDFs and access databases and other things. It might not be unlike the shared drives that you have within your organization. This is not very helpful from a data understanding point of view. You can't use a shared drive to start automating decision-making and business process. So the first thing that we do when we engage with the customer is we use our Cognitive Toolkit, and it will connect to the shared drives, connect to OpenText content suites, to SharePoints, to other systems, Exchange and others, and start giving you a visualization of what the actual content is by file type, by date, every word on every page using full text extraction and OCR where applicable. Out of the box, before we apply any artificial intelligence rules or anything like that, we start to get a lot of value. You start to identify where your top duplicate files are. These are a really nice way of trying to figure out exactly what your content is and where your content is. So like I say, before we've provided any level of automation, there's some quick wins that you get from that. For example, an organization that came to us and they have a large data cleanup project underway. And of course, we ask them a lot of questions initially, and they tell us, well, we believe we have this many files as part of this initial engagement, and we believe that we have this level of duplication within our data set. Well, after we did that initial crawl, scan, and deduplicate with them, we found that they actually had double the data. They had 14 million additional files, and they didn't know that they were in there. And using our tool, they quickly figured out what they were. And the same customer actually turned out to have 75 or greater % duplication across their content. Just that initial visualization starts providing a lot of value. Another, in this case, partner, they used the same tool to go through their content, and they found that 30% of their content was temporary files. These were files that were automatically generated by a tool that they were using. So just crawling through and visualizing the content, they found that they could trivially delete 30% of their enterprise storage.